Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show how I'll replace the kitchen window. This is the old one and also is broken. There is the new window and that means everything is going well so far. We have a window. The bad thing is I've been waiting for like 2 months for this window from Lowe's. You should know that. And the process of remodeling of my kitchen was slowing down until I received the window, because I didn't like to replace the window with the bottom cabinets installed, and I've been waiting. Okay, the window which I purchased is replacement window, and usually the replacement windows supposed to be go in this space right here by not touching the existing frame of the existing window and just getting inside of the existing frame from here to here. But the structure which I'm working on, the house, is old, and replacing of the whole window, it's not a big deal because I don't need to deal with the siding outside. This means now I'll cut the screws right here, underneath right here, and on the side and on the top. I mean the screws which holding the window in the frame placed, and I'll throw away the old one, and the new one got same size like the one which I'm replacing. Okay, I'll show you how I took measurements. The measurements. To get right measurements, you should be sure that you can see where the frame of the house is. Means the existing opening for the kitchen window, in this case, you should be sure you taken the sizes from inside of the opening for the window to the other side, and from the bottom, in my case, if you see this board right here, this is extra board, and the actual framing of the house is right here under the board. Means I'm skipping this board and taking measurements from the real framing work of the house, and then you should go at some store like Lowe's, Home Depot, or if you have some better idea, and give them these measurements, and you should tell them that this is a rough opening of the frame, and they'll give you size of the window which you gonna purchase by 1/8 each side, 1/8 of an inch of each side, less than the numbers that you gave it to them. Okay, then next step is removing the all glass, how much it's possible without breaking it, because to avoid injuries. And in my case, the glass is already crushed here. I need to be really careful when I removing it. And then the frame of the window, how I said in a few minutes ago, I'll cut it off, crush it, whatever it's possible to remove it, and then I'll prepare the opening and I'll just will install the new window there. Okay, I'm going ahead. In this part of the process, special tools, gloves, screwdriver. There is the old window, it's already removed, and we have the rough opening for the new window. Everything it's clean up. The next step is to make this area everywhere kind of waterproof, because to keep the water of the rains and snow far away, it's possible. I have this thing, a tape, which gonna help me about it. Now I'm gonna apply this tape. Okay, there is the tape. I'm starting from the bottom. About 6 inches or 4 inches, whichever, needs to cover the vertical, and the rest covers the horizontal first. There is, the tape is installed, whatever needs to be. On the top there is no need of tape, because will be a trim outside, and then will be a silicone which gonna keep the water out, but on the sides and the bottom need it. After that I made, if you see, an angle to keep the water running out of the window. This is how the slope look like. I got a pressure treated board about ½ inch, and I cut it to get in the sides. and underneath I put another angled board, which I used garbage old trimming board, and I will install these two boards above the tape, and everything will be okay for installation of the window. Everything is prepared, and something else, the window which I purchased has a special PVC profile which installs right here on the top and holds the window really well on the top and helps with the insulation. I really like this model. I'll install this one, and I'll show you how I'm installing the window. And finally, there is the final real installation of the window. First try. Let me see what's gonna happen the first try. It's still successful try, don't worry. I just got nowhere to grab it. Now I have. There it is. The window being installed. Barely. Approximately. Now, if you see from there, I have a mark where is the middle between the two cabinets, and I have mark on the window, and those two marks supposed to be matched. And they do. Perfect. The window will stay, because how I said that this bracket which coming with the window and the top, it's really great. Physically I'm checking the middle. Actually 5.5. 5.5. Great, great. The window is right there. Now I got several screws which are coming with the window, which I'm gonna use it for installation of the window. Not very important, the window should work. Yeah, the screws are too much popping out. until not great. Okay, I have more screws, but before that I'll check is the window level in every direction. Okay, this is it. I will install the rest of the screws. I'll shim the window on the sides underneath, and then I'll spray a window foam. It's especially window and door foam because that is made specially for windows, does not expand so much. And this is it. Basically, this is an installation of the window. When I'm done with trimming and everything, I'll show you the final result. Okay. There is the finished window. Just a little bit touch-ups. And right before the snow. Thank you for watching and good luck. Bye.